In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a single layer in Photopea. First, open your project in Photopea and locate the layer you want to crop. While Photopea does offer a crop tool on the left side of the screen, that tool affects the entire canvas, not individual layers, so we will use a different method. Begin by selecting the layer you want to crop from the Layers panel. Next, go to the left-hand side of the screen and look for the selection tools under the Move tool. You may see tools such as Lasso Select, Ellipse Select, or Rectangle Select. Right-click on whichever one is visible and choose Rectangle Select from the menu. Click and drag over the exact area of the layer you want to keep. If the selection is not perfect the first time, you can redraw it or move it around until you are satisfied. Once your selection is ready, go to the lower right-hand corner of the screen and click on Add Raster Mask. This will hide everything outside the selected area, effectively cropping only that specific layer. The cropped layer can now be moved freely anywhere on your canvas. If at any point you want to restore the original layer, simply select the Raster Mask thumbnail in the Layers panel and press the Delete key. This will remove the mask and bring the full layer back. With that, your layer-only crop is complete, and this is how you can crop a single layer in Photopea.